So you've got a passenger, a center, and a driver's side seat headrest. The center one's small and it doesn't need anything special, but both the passenger and driver's side do need to be lifted up, get it released, lean it forward, and lift it out. So right next to the center headrest, there's also a little plastic trim piece. It's round almost. You can see it like this. Once you get this pulled out, you can look down inside and you're going to find a little screw. You want a deep well socket, 10 millimeter. You can take that out, open up your seat, and underneath, so you'll see where the bracket is bolted down to the frame. The back of your seat is just bolted in right there. So you're going to back that 13 millimeter out. You're going to take one out on each side. Okay, so now once we've taken the 10 millimeter nut off the top of that screw here, taking the two 13 millimeter bolts off the bottom, all you've got to do is lift up that seat and it's going to come off of a claw hook back there, and you can just lay it down. What you're going to see is that this seat hooks right on this little hook here, and there's a nice little hook area here that just comes down, sits right on top of that and hooks. And here are those brackets that screw in the bottom. Now all I got to do is set my seat back in place, kind of lift it to the center, lift it up a little ways, and try to find those brackets on both sides and make sure that it's just hooked into those brackets nice. There you go. And you can feel that it's nice and secure. Once I've done that, this trim piece can go back up. It sets and snaps right back on top of this. So here's a little better look at this 10 millimeter nut that's going to go back in the top. There's a little screw that sticks up. That's going to hold your seat down. So I just want to set this back down on top and spin it back into place. Once I get it tightened up, put a little torque on it with the ratchet wrench. So once again, I'm going to set my seats up. I've set the passenger seat up already. I'm just going to pull the lever, lock the seat up, and look underneath, and you'll notice that the bracket's perfectly lined up and ready to go. I'm just going to screw in. I'll snug it down with my ratchet.